सर्वतमेव कृपात्मनो नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमान गुरुते वेदांत शिवरामानुज गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमान गुरुते वेदांत शिवरामानुज गोस्वामी महाराज का चरण कमल में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। अभी आप लोगों ने
So just you have heard about the God Pasha Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's
परिकरों में
Parikar.
अन्यतम विशेष वक्रेश्वर पंडित के
So you have heard about the glorification of Vakreshwar Pandit.
तथा उनकी शिक्षा आदि के बारे में श्रवण किया।
So you have heard just the characteristics of Vakreshwar Pandit. Gaur Sundar,
नित्य जन की कथा श्रवण आदि
so eternal associates. So hearing the glorification of the eternal associate of Gaur Mahaprabhu, so we can rectify our offenses or we can improve our life.
गौरांगेर संगी गणे नित्य सिद्ध हरि माने तार है ब्रज गुरुवार। महाप्रभु की अंतरंग जन
So Mahaprabhu's internal associates and the Parshad,
यदि हम नित्य समझ पाए
so if we think that they are eternal, then actually we can enter into the Braj Bhumi. We can stay into the Braj Bhumi. Because if we want to drown ourselves into the love of Gaur Sundar, ocean of Gaur Sundar's love, just like the swimmer, they goes to the down into the ocean, and when they drown himself into the ocean of so deep, so they take out so many kinds of ornaments from there, from the ocean. In the same way, when we drown ourselves into the love of ocean of Mahaprabhu, so then many kinds of transcendental things we will get, which is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya Madhurya. So it is described, these are all kinds of bhav in scriptures. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami describe all these things, that actually Mahaprabhu, whatever he wanted to gives, and for getting that things, we need the mercy of their eternal associates. That's why Vakreshwar Pandit, so you have heard a little bit about Vakreshwar Pandit, Chaitanya Bhagavad, Chaitanya Charitamrita, everywhere, in a short way, his characters is mentions there. If you are performing bhakti and you committed offense in somebody's devotee's feet, knowingly or unknowingly, in the same way, Devanand Pandit in the Navdeep Dham, he was a great scholar. He was a great scholar in Navdeep, and he was the speaker of Bhagavad too. So hearing of this his Bhagavad, thousand people used to come very nicely in a beautiful rhythm. He used to do the kirtan, he used to do the Bhagavad kirtans. So he was reciting the shlokas in a very beautiful rhythm that everybody was attracted toward his katha. So many people used to come and attracted.
सभा में
So in that assembly, one day, Srinivas Thakur,
पधारे।
he entered there.
श्रीनिवास चतुर भागवत की श्लोक सुन करके ये बात
So hearing the shlokas of Bhagavad Srinivas Thakur, he was started crying.
है, कौन सा श्लोक पाठ कर
Which shlok he was reciting? Gurudev was saying one day,
रास पंचोध्याय की कथा
maybe he was reciting the Ras Panchadhyayi Katha, the Gopi Geet he was saying.
सर से पाठ कर।
So he was doing in a very
और
nice
इस
tune.
कथा को सुन करके
So hearing that Katha, Srinivas Thakur,
रोने लगा।
he started crying.
ये जो महाभागवत होते हैं
So who are the Mahabhagavat?
वो तो बस श्लोक की एक अक्षर सुनते
So
ही
when they heard a little or one word of the shlokas, so they enter into the bhav.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Srinivas Thakur,
और उन्होंने क्या की
what he did?
श्लोक सुनते ही बस
So when he heard the shlokas, he entered into the bhav. He drawn himself into the bhav, and he started crying and observed in the mind, in his bhav, in the bhav,
इसमें कहा जाता है
where it is said
कि रसामृत
in the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, which is called
साधारणीकरण कहा जाता है। क्या
Sadharanikaran.
बोला?
Sadharanikaran
साधारणीकरण
means thinking himself that I am in that
अर्थात ये
leela.
तुम्हारे
It's not
कष्ट नहीं है, मेरा कष्ट है।
not tameti mameti.
न तो तमेति ममेति,
It's
ये
not
भाव जब आ जाता है।
when they feel this kinds of bhav. It's not yours, it's mine.
नाट्य शास्त्र में
In the
काव्य
Natya
शास्त्र
Shastra
में
and the Kavya Shastra,
इनके महिमा बहुत वर्णन है।
so these kinds of things is described very nicely. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad,
है, भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु में
in the Bhakti Rasama Sindhu, he described very nicely,
है, और विशेष करके
and especially
विश्वनाथ
Vishwanath Chakravarti in Madhurya Kadamini.
गोस्वामी पाद की टीका में भी इसमें बहुत
No,
सुंदर
no.
तरह से अच्छा
So
है। जैसे
Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in Jeev Goswami
उदाहरण दिया
Pad,
गया,
he described very nicely what he, when I told you about the sadhunikar, what is that actually?
जैसे
Just like
कोई रामायण कथा में
Some-
रामायण पाठक
in a Ramayana Katha and somebody, the Ramayana is speaking that time, so he is saying the Ram Katha
के कथा
and describing there the character of Dashrath Maharaj.
है, इस कथा प्रसंग में आ रहे हैं।
So the context we are saying about, he is saying
भगवान
about
रामचंद्र
when Bhagwan
सीता
Lord
देवी
Ram
लक्ष्मण के साथ
and with the Sita Devi and Lakshman went to forest or one,
रामचंद्र की वनगमन की कथा
so he was describing the Katha of Ramchandra Vanvas.
और भगवान रामचंद्र जब वन में चले गए
When Ramchandra went to forest or
उस समय
one,
दशरथ महाराज
at that time Dashrath Maharaj,
हराम
he was
हराम
crying
हराम
saying
करके
Haram, 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 and he left his body.
है। इस कथा को इतने सुंदर करके वो वर्णन करके जा
So
रहे
he
हैं
is describing this Katha in this nice
ये
way
श्रोताओं
that the
सुन रहे हैं,
listeners are
बात
thinking it's really true.
नाट्य शास्त्र जो नाटक करते हैं
So,
ड्रामा भी करते
so the people who are doing the drama,
हैं। उस नाटक में
So-
ड्रामा में
so in that drama,
क्या बोलते हैं
director.
डायरेक्टर जो होता है
So who is the director is totally depend on him
कैसे
that how
जो रोल करेंगे उसी
so
प्रकार से।
how the person has to play the role. So it is indicating by the director. So he is describing the Katha very nicely.
और उस कथा सुनते ही
So hearing that Katha at this assembly,
एक व्यक्ति
one person,
इतने दशरथ
one
महाराज
listener,
के भाव में तामन
so he drawn himself into the bhav of Dashrath Maharaj that he was thinking.
कथा श्रवण करते
So hearing the Katha, he left his body, saying Haram, Haram. Siyawal Ramchandra ki jai.
दूसरी उदाहरण में दिया गया
And the second example was given.
और किसी सभा में रामायण पाठ हनुमान जी के कथा श्रवण
So
करा रहे
there was a
थे।
Ramayana part was going on in a Katha.
और भगवान रामचंद्र सीता उद्धार के लिए
When Lord Ram making a bridge on the ocean by the help of Vanar, by the monkeys, so they made a bridge there over the ocean. So when Bhagwan wanted to entering into the Lanka, so he was making bridge over the ocean. So look what happened that time.
पुल बनने के पहले
Before tying the bridge, who went?
हनुमान
Hanuman went to the Lanka.
और हनुमान जी कह दिया
What Hanuman ji did that time? Siyaval Ramchandra ki jai.
हनुमान जी राम नाम लेकर के
So
छलांग
chanting the
लगाए
name of
और
Ram Nam,
दुनिया में
Hanuman ji jumped and entered into the Lanka straight away.
इस कथा को जो
So this
वक्ता जब
katha,
कथा जब
when the
बोलता
speaker was saying this katha,
है और उसी सभा में
so in that sabha, in that assembly, there was one person.
हनुमान जी के भाव में अभिष्ट
So he observed and he was drawn himself to the bhava of Hanumanji and he jumped into that assembly in that katha.
समस्त लज्जा आदि त्याग देकर
So
के
he
बोले,
left
"जय राम
he left
की
all
जय।"
kinds of shame there and he was just shouting very loudly, Siyaval Ramchandra ki jai, and he was jumped there. This is called sadharanikaran. This is called the sadharanikaran. Thinking yourself in that bhav. In the bhakti jagat,
भजन करते करते
it happens when someone performs bhajan. So this kinds of feelings comes into the mind of the sadhak. In the bhajan rahasya granth, Gurudev is wrought there. It's written by the Gurudev in the bhajan rahasya granth. So when we will come into that kinds of context, I will describe you.
उसी प्रकार
So what is my mean to say? In the same way, Srinivas Pandit, Srinivas Thakur, Srinivas Thakur.
और उन्होंने क्या की
So what he did?
देखो नाम का
So
रोज
when he heard that shloka, so he started crying.
इसलिए यहाँ पर भी वर्णन किया है
So it is also described there.
किंतु
But
पास में रहने वाले जो है ये नया कोई
so the people who were hearing Hari Katha, so they were thinking he is disturbing to listening Hari Katha to us. So they feels like
और
that.
उनको क्या कि सभा से निकाल
So he was thrown
महाप्रभु
out from that assembly, the Hari
जब
Katha.
उसे सुने महाप्रभु
When Mahaprabhu heard this, so he was so much angry. He was so much upset that time.
एक होता है भक्त भागवत
One is
और एक होता है
Bhagavata, second is Grantha Bhagavat.
ग्रंथ भागवत
There are two kinds of Bhagavat, Bhakta Bhagavat and Grantha Bhagavat.
ग्रंथ भागवत की वास्तव हम अनुभव कर सकते हैं
How we can realize the Grantha Bhagavat by the mercy of Bhakta Bhagavat only.
वैष्णव स्थाने एकांत आश्रय करो ये भागवत की तात्पर्य समझने के लिए
So if you want to understand the purport of the Bhagavat,
शुद्ध भक्त के चरण
so you have to take the shelter of pure devotees.
एक होता है ग्रंथ भागवत
One is Granth Bhagavat, Bhakta Bhagavat.
किंतु
But
देवानंद पंडित
Devanand Pandit, he was not able to understand this.
बोला ना
He didn't say anything
है
in that assembly.
इसे अपराध
That's why he committed offense towards the feet of Srinivas Pandit, Srinivas Thakur.
किंतु उनके इसे उन्होंने देखा अब आप लोग ने श्रवण किया
So you have heard just now,
जब वही सामान देवानंद पंडित सामान्य रूप से
when the Devanand Pandit generally form, he served the Bhakteshwar Pandit in a little way, as you heard little bit here. Bhakteshwar Pandit, when he was dancing,
और भाव में अभिष्ट
and he observed himself into the bhav,
और उसके भाव में कई वैष्णव नाटक हो
so in his bhav there is no little bit disturbance. So Devanand Pandit, he saved Bhakteshwar Pandit with their associates.
भगवान भी क्या चाहते हैं
What Bhakta Bhagwan wants,
पूरे सेवा करते
if little bit somebody served to him, so he will do the mercy on them.
गुरु पाद की कथा सुनाते
So Gurudev used to tell one story.
जितनी भी सेवा करो
So in this world, if you serve the worldly people,
सेवा करो
so if you serve them by your heart and soul, so nobody will be pleased. But if you little bit serve the Guru Vaishnav,
भगवान
Bhagwan will be pleased very, very easy.
तो क्या शुरू करें
There is a shlok in the Chaitanya Bhagavad. There is a shlok.
अल्प सेवा
Alpa seva,
अल्प सेवा करी अल्प सेवा बहु करी
alpa seva ho parimani. So if you serve little bit, so they will think, oh, he has served a lot to me. So you will get the fruit of that service so much. You ever heard the story of Naradji?
नारद जी छोटा थे,
When Naraji was a little boy, so he served what he was serving to the Sant Mahatma sadhus. When Naraji was describing his
वैद्य की श्रवण कराया।
when he was describing his characteristics to Vyasdev
चातुर्मास के समय
at the time of Chaturmas, when the sadhus came into the village of him, so Naraji was staying or coming with her with his mother,
और संत महात्मा की सेवा करते थे।
and he was serving a little bit to the sadhu. So he was cleaning the Panchapatra,
अथवा उनकी जो उच्छिष्ट आदि जो
And-
पत्र आदि उठा देते थे।
he used to
और सबसे बड़ी सेवा क्या है?
throw their pattals.
अत्यंत दृढ़ता के साथ,
And what was the biggest service there?
निष्ठा के साथ संत महात्मा के मुखार बिंद से
And very nicely they used to hear the Harikatha from the mouth of sadhus, pure devotees.
ये सबसे बड़ी
This is the biggest service.
वास्तव में सत्य है।
Actually, it is
संत
true.
महात्मा जो है प्रसन्न किससे होता है?
How Sant Mahatma will be, sadhus will be pleased when somebody hear the Harikatha.
हमारे गुरुपाद जी
Our Guru Patmandu used to say like this.
प्रभुपाद जी ने कहा,
Prabhupada used to say
कहा,
this the
देखो,
same thing.
ये जो श्रोता जो है,
These all are the listeners. They have come here. These all are my. They are my problem solver. Vipad Bhanjan,
विपद धारण
Bandhu, Vipadhan. They all are my problem solvers. How humbly he said this
श्रोता
word.
लोग आए हैं।
These all the listeners who was listening to me,
कैसे? ये लोग आए हैं तो मैं हरि कथा बोल रहा
they have come. That's why I am speaking Harikatha.
हूँ। आज यदि श्रोता नहीं हो,
If there is no listeners, how can I speak Harikatha?
अनर्थ आदर के
So if there are no listeners, so what happens? So there are many kinds of anarth will come and the Maya will grab me.
है।
Nidra, laziness, and
क्योंकि जब श्रोता जब आ जाते हैं,
sleeping. When the shrotas, when the listeners comes,
बोलते हैं।
so the speakers speaks Bhagavad Katha.
जब तक आप भगवत कथा बोलोगे, कथा कीर्तन करोगे,
If you speak Bhagavad Katha till then,
नष्ट नहीं।
your age will not be destroyed.
आयु भवति वै पुंसां दंत अस्तित्व। जिस समय
At the time,
आप भगवत कथा श्रवण करोगे,
the time you will hear the Bhagavad Katha, so your age will not be
सूर्य
destroyed.
उदय अस्त से हमारे आयु नष्ट हो जाए।
When sun rises and sets up, so we destroy our age. If you want to stay in this world,
Predestined and predestined।
so the age is predestined and predicted already.
ऐसे सहज से रूप में आप सभी नहीं छोड़ दोगे।
So not easily you can give up your body.
कब तक रहना है,
How long you have to stay in this world, it is already predicted and
विधि के
predestined.
विधान है।
It is already written by the Vidhi.
विधि के विधान जान,
Ani Labh Sahi.
हानि लाभ सही।
सीताराम
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 जय विधि राधे राम।
काहे विधि रही.
है? तो जिस समय हम हरि कथा श्रवण
So the
करते
time we hear Hari Katha
हैं, हरि कथा कीर्तन करते
and
हैं,
we do the Kirtan of Hari Katha, at the time Maya cannot effect on us.
आयु नष्ट नहीं होती।
We cannot destroy our age at that
मानो
time.
आप 1 घंटे 2 घंटे
Even
हरि कथा श्रवण
if you are hearing Hari Katha for 1 hour or 2
एक-
hours,
1-2 घंटे आपके
so
आयु
1 or 2 hours your age
नष्ट नहीं,
is not destroyed.
ये रिजर्व है।
It is reserved.
है? इसलिए कहते हैं,
That's why it is said, what I am saying to you, it is actually true. Naradaji was saying to Vyasdev,
जे संत महात्मा के मुखार बिंद से
when
अत्यंत उत्कंठित होकर के कथा श्रवण
when he was hearing the Hari Katha too much eager, being very eager, and he was getting the order, and according to their wish, when he was getting the remnants of that sadhus,
3 उपाय बताए।
so there are three rules of getting bhakti: Bhakta Pad Dhuli, Bhakta Bhakti.
এই 3 হইতে প্রেম হয়, সর্বশাস্ত্রে পুকারিয়া কয়, বিশ্বাস করিয়া ভাই কর পৃথিবীর জীবন। है? कीर्तन में कीर्तन में कृष्णदास कविराज दर्शन करते हैं। ये भाइयों, विश्वास के साथ, मेरा श्रद्धा के साथ
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Vishwanath Chakravarti, he is saying,
ग्रहण करें। व्याख्या
three things you should take very with firm faith. Bhakta Pad Dhuli, the dust of lotus feet, dust of the feet of the sadhu,
पदधूत जल चरणामृत
and the charnamrit of the bhakta,
और
bhakta bhukta shesh, and the remnants of the sadhus of bhakta,
है इसके महाप्रसाद
which is called the Mahaprasad.
भगवत निवेदित प्रसाद के क्या रहता है
Prasad, the prasad,
महाप्रसाद
Mahaprasad, whatever you are offering to the Lord, that is called Mahaprasad, and
क्या कहा जाता
and
है
the remnants of the devotees, that is called Mahaprasad.
ये तो मीनिंग है
So this is the meaning, but
इनके गुरु मीनिंग क्या है
what is the external, what is the internal meaning of that? What is Bhakta Pad Dhuli? What is the dust of the feet of the devotees?
हैं? उनके अनुसरण करना
So you have to follow them, the instruction of them, follow the instruction of the devotees.
देखो, आपके गुरु भी आपके पीछे पीछे
So whenever you go to the Braj Mandal Parikrama, the dust will follow you.
अरे स्वयं भगवान भी गोचारण के लिए जाते
And when Bhagwan was going for the cow grazing,
धूलि ग्रहण करने के लिए चलते बोले
so so when he was going for the cow grazing, so he's saying that I am going for taking the dust of the feet of the devotees.
भक्त पद धूलि की यही विशेषता
This is the speciality of the dust of the feet of the devotee.
शुद्ध भक्त की
So what is the meaning of the internal meaning of that? You have to follow the instruction of the devotees.
एक होता है क्या
Not one is anukaran, which is copying, and the second is anusaran, the following the instruction of the sadhus of bhakta.
उपदेश आदि की है
So you have to follow the instruction of the sadhu. That is the Bhakta Pad Dhuli.
और
Note down.
भक्त पद जल
And Bhakta Pad Jal, the Charanamrit. What is that?
चरणामृत
What is the Charanamrit?
ये उनकी कथामृत के साथ ग्रहण करें
So you have to take the Kathamritam. You have to take the bhav of his katha.
जल उनकी भाव
Jal means Charanamrit means their bhav,
और
their feelings.
भक्त पद धूलि भक्त पद जल
Bhakta
भक्त भुक्त शेष
Shesh.
उच्चिष्ट क्या है
What is that uchist?
उनकी अंतर हृदय की जो भाव हमारे हृदय में
What are the internal feelings they have in their heart
है, इसमें
that we have to observe.
वर्णन करें।
So this is very nicely described by the Vaishnav.
क्योंकि जब तक हम
Until we are not
अनुसरण नहीं करेंगे
following the pure devotees of Lord,
तब प्राप्ति नहीं
we cannot get that.
होती। भक्त पद धूलि
That is why it is said Bhakta Pad Dhuli, Bhakta Pad Shesh.
कथामृतम आनंद।
So we have to take the nectar of his katha.
मैं कहने की तात्पर्य
So
है
what's my mean to say here
कि
actually?
देखो, देवानंद पंडित
So
थोड़ी सी
Devanand
सेवा
Pandit, he served a little bit
है,
to the Vakreshwar Pandit.
उससे महाप्रभु प्रसन्न
So
हो गए।
Mahaprabhu got pleased so much.
और उस दिन ही उनको क्या कर
And
दिया?
that day what he
पहले
did,
अपराध मानो,
so he forgive, क्षमा कर दिया. So he forget all kinds of offenses of
है,
Devanand Pandit.
यहाँ पर भी लिखित है, बक्रेश्वर पंडित प्रभु वरभिक्त एक भावे 24 प्रहर जार नित्य अपने महाप्रभु गान जार नित्य काले प्रभु चरण धरी बक्रेश्वर बने सहस्र गंधर्व मोरे देवचंद्रमु तारा गाय मई नाचो तबे तुम्हार सुर ध्रुवले तुम्हें मोर एक सखा आकाशे उड़िताम यदि पार पखा
Akha, very nice. How beautiful it is described there.
जब महाप्रभु
When Mahaprabhu,
जगन्नाथ जी के निकट जब
when he was dancing before the Jagannath
बक्रेश्वर पंडित
Puri, Jagannath Rath Yatra, so the Bakresh Pandit, he came to Jagannath Puri.
और बक्रेश्वर पंडित
And Vakresh Pandit, he was a prominent in the dancer, as you heard just now. Nitya,
नृत्य
Kirtan.
इतने सुंदर करते हैं। महाप्रभु
Vasudev
के
Ghosh was the
प्रेम
Kirtan,
में
yeah.
तीन चीज विशेष है जिसके
So,
तरजीह कहा जाता है।
Mahaprabhu's Premdam, there are three things is prominent. That is called Terjik. What is that? Kirtan, Nritya, Kirtan,
कीर्तन और
Vadya. So playing the instruments, dancing and Kirtan.
ये महाप्रभु के प्रेम धर्म में
So this is
विशेष वैशिष्ट है। आज नृत्य करना चाहिए भगवान के सामने।
so we should always do the dance before the Bhagwan.
दंड सूत्र
very very nicely or very in a very high mode we should dance before the
ये
Bhagwan.
भगवान की सुंदर सुंदर पदावली जो है
We should sing the beautiful Padavali. We should sing the beautiful glorification of Bhagwan. Bhagwan got pleased by that. And
सुंदर रूप में
playing the instrument.
यंत्र आदि
And in a beautiful form or beautiful tune, we should play the instrument. So Mahaprabhu, he showed this all kinds of things in his Sankirtan Yatra when he was doing the Nagar Sankirtan with their all the devotees. So it is mentioned there.
निजमणि गोरामणि जागे भक्त सो लोहिया नामे
You know?
एला न कर
See?
प्राणे
Hey, Baba.
तातई तातई
Tathai tathai bajalo
घन घन ताई
gani gani tae आगे नहीं आता
है कि नहीं है महाप्रभु के नाम संकीर्तन में
in the Mahaprabhu's Nam Sankirtan this is the three prominent things speciality there. This is called Terrajak.
नाम
Nam
संकीर्तन
Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu got pleased by the Nam Sankirtan.
सुंदर रूप में
Very nicely
कीर्तन करें
do the Kirtan of
आदिष्ट होता
observe yourself in the bhav.
है मेरा याद है
I know
शिला गुरुदेव
Srila Gurudev
है गुरुदेव के सबसे बढ़िया कीर्तन करते थे
so used to do the beautiful Kirtan
85 और 83
in the 85 or 84 years it was 1984 or 1985. So Gurudev used to do the Kirtan himself.
कौन सा
Which one?
चंचल जीवन सत प्रभाहिया
Chanchala Jeevana Sata Pravahya. Before that,
राधा
Shri Radha Krishna Pada Kamale. I remember
है उस समय गुरुदेव
at the time Gurudev he used to do this Kirtan. Shri Radha Krishna, and he observed himself into the bhav that time.
जब गुरुदेव के
When Gurudev was, he was suffering from heart attack, so he stopped the Kirtan. But still he used to do the little Kirtan like Radhe Jai Jai Madhav Devti. So I have seen that when he used to do these Kirtans on drawing himself into the bhav,
अजब का किंकरी है मेरा क्या है
I remember, I know.
आप लोग के पास जो पुराण में वक्त लगे
Maybe who are the old devotees, maybe they know.
तो विशेष कोई हमारे वो नहीं था क्या बोले
So at that time we don't have any kinds of record or something.
कुछ कीर्तन उस समय जो गुरुदेव जो कीर्तन
So at the time the Gurudev, when he used to do the Kirtan,
पद कमले
Shri Radha Pada Kamale Mana,
ये कीर्तन के
it was very nice. He observed or he drawn himself into the bhav that time
और विदंग सुरेश
while Kirtan. So at that time
कृष्णदास प्रभु
Krishnadas Prabhu and some people used to do Krishnadas Prabhu used to play the mridang. He used to do the Kirtan. And there are little boys was there. They used to do like this. Some people are doing the mridang. I have heard that some people, play mridang here, like Nitai Prabhu.
आप लोग गुरुदेव के समय आदि और गुरुदेव कितने पसंद
When you come at the time of Gurudev, so Gurudev got so much pleased. I have seen
जब कीर्तन जब गुरुदेव कीर्तन करते
when Gurudev used to do the Kirtan, Shri Radha Krishna Padakam.
और ये
So everybody was playing the mridang and everything was very nicely.
मेरे कहने की इसी
So
प्रकार
what's
की
my mean to
तात्पर्य है
say actually?
कि महाप्रभु के प्रेम धर्म में
So in the Mahaprabhu's Prem Dharma, there is three things were prominent.
नाम संकीर्तन
First, Nam
इसी के अंदर
Sankirtan.
संकीर्तन रास
This is called the Sankirtan Ras.
कृष्ण ने क्या रास किया वृंदावन में गोपी रास
Krishna did the Gopi Ras in Vrindavan.
है जिससे कितने शिशुपाल निकल करके आ गए
There are many kinds of Shishpal came from there.
आ सकते हैं कृष्ण के निंदा आदि करने लगे
They were criticizing. At the time, there was one Shishupal.
उनको क्या की चक्कर दे करके
So Krishna killed them by the chakra.
किंतु कलियुग में
But in the Kali Yuga,
शिशुपाल है कोई
there are many kinds of Shishpals. Who knows?
इसलिए वही कृष्ण बोले
That's why in the same Krishna said,
मैं
in the Kali Yuga, I won't do the Gopi Ras.
राष्ट्र करेंगे
I will do the Ras, but not it shouldn't be Gopi Ras. Sankirtan Maharaj. Sankirtan Ras. Nam Sankirtan Ras.
नाम
So he performed Nam Sankirtan in the Kali Yuga.
करते थे
When Mahaprabhu used to do the kirtan or dance,
राधा के भाव में
so he observed himself in the bhav of Radhaji,
कोई नहीं शादी करते
and he used to do the kirtan and dance like this, and especially Sarup Damodar,
से पुराना तो पाइनुन
Sai Se
जहाँ
Panana,
लगी
he used to say like this.
इस श्लोक के जब
And
दामोदर
when Sarup Damodar recited this shlokas, so Shriman Mahaprabhu at that time, he drawn himself into the bhav and he was dancing very,
अपने प्राणकांत जान सके
so thinking that Jagannath is my Pranakant, and he was dancing in this way
और
that time.
महाप्रभु के समस्त पार्षद आदि
And all the associates of Mahaprabhu that time, he used to do that dance like this with Mahaprabhu.
जो जैसे भाव में है वो
So
उसे ग्रहण करते हैं
whatever kinds of they were bhav, having their bhav, so they observed that and dancing in the same way. In the same way, Bakreshwar Pandit,
देवानंद पंडित
Devanand Pandit,
इतने बकरे पंडित के सेवा करते
he just served a little bit to Bakreshwar Pandit, and Mahaprabhu got pleased so much.
भक्तगामी गौर सुंदर
Every
है
God Sundar knows everything, and he forgave all his kinds of offenses. So that's why it is saying.
कृष्ण नाचिते बक्रेश्वर विजय स्थाने यदि बक्रेश्वरेर संग হয় এই স্থানে সর্বতীর্থ বৈকুণ্ঠময় चैतन्य भागवत
In the Chaitanya Bhagavat,
चैतन्य भागवत में
in the Chaitanya Bhagavat,
लीला में
in the Anta Leela,
वर्णन हो जाता
it is described like
है
this.
महाप्रभु करे
Mahaprabhu himself is saying,
ये देखो
hey look,
देवानंद पंडित
hey Devanand Pandit,
महाप्रभु जब
when Mahaprabhu,
पूरी धाम दर्शन के पश्चात
after that taking darshan of Puri Dham, when he was returning back from the Puri Dham,
और कहाँ महाप्रभु कहाँ तक पहुँच गए थे?
so he reached to, he came to Ram Kiligaon.
के साथ में
So Bakreshwar Pandit was also with Mahaprabhu that time.
महाप्रभु के विशेष नृत्यकार थे
So he was a prominent dancer of Mahaprabhu.
इसे लिखा है
Some, that's why it is written here, Shriman
जब
Mahaprabhu,
रमणी और गंगा दर्शन के लिए कुलिया ग्राम में जब पधारे
when he entered into the Pulia Gram, then Mahaprabhu with the Devadan Pandit,
इसे कहे प्रभु बोले तुम्हें जे सिमिला वक्रेश्वरे मते भइला तुनी हमार कुचर वक्रेश्वर पंडित प्रभु पूर्ण शक्ति श्री कृष्ण पाए तहार करे भक्ति इतने उद्दंड नित्य विधान 24 प्रहर 72 घंटा पंडित
so he who can perform dance 72 hours continuous
पूरा रात कीर्तन करने में
in the kirtan, in the playing mridang, it's too hard to play mridang or dancing. Who knows this? Only Mahaprabhu knows. That's why Mahaprabhu was so much pleased seeing the dance of Bakreshwar Pandit. It is mentioned in the time of Rath Yatra when Mahaprabhu was used to dance, so seeing the hard dance of Mahaprabhu, so every Bakreshwar
दोपहर के समय हो गया
at the time of noon,
है रात 24 घंटे कहां तक आ रहे थे
and Rath came to,
पानी में गिरा
there is a place which is called,
नहीं जगन्नाथपुरी से रात चल
when Jagannath Puri, the Rath started from the Jagannath Puri,
जगन्नाथ वल्लभ वाटिका
Jagannath Vallabh Vatika, at the place there, so Rath stops at the garden of Jagannath Vallabh Vatika, Sarup Damodar. So seeing the hard work of dancing of Mahaprabhu, so Sarup Damodar indicate everybody, please take a little bit rest. At the time of noon, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
वहीं पर
there
के नीचे
he
ऐसे बैठ जाते
he take the shelter of that tree, and everybody and every devotee used to take rest there. So it is all Katha Prasang is there, just like Prataprudra, King Prataprudra Maharaj, he rests to his mercy on Prataprudra Maharaj.
अभी रथ यात्रा
King Prataprudra, Rath Yatra is going to come, Gundicha Marjan. So these all festivals are coming.
इसलिए ये सब दिखा रहे ये बक्रेश्वर पंडित है ये कहते कृष्ण नित्य करते नाते बक्रेश्वर जे जे स्थाने यदि बक्रेश्वर संग है सही सही स्थान सर्वतीर्थ वही
Mahaprabhu is saying himself,
भक्त की चरण धूलि जहां पर पड़ जाते हैं
where is the dust of the lotus feet of devotees, that place becomes Mahatirth, the highly pilgrimage. When you take a bath into the pilgrimage, so you get pious.
किंतु वो तीर्थ भी
But
दुष्ट दुराचारी की तरह क्या हो जाता
so by the demons people, that pilgrimage also become impure.
है भागवत में लिखा है
That's why it is mentioned in the Bhagavad.
महाभारत तीर्थ में जाते
When Mahabhagavad goes to the pilgrimage, they do the pious, so they purified the pilgrimage.
भगवत विधा भक्त विधा तीर्थ विधा संत तीर्थ प्रभंति तीर्थानि संतस्तेन सदा
Tadabhyam.
भगवान इनके हृदय में धारण करने वाली
So always recite the Bhagwan in their hearts. When that kinds of person goes to the pilgrimage, so they purify the tirthas, the pilgrimage.
इसे महाप्रभु कार्य
So that's why Mahaprabhu is saying,
गंगारो परस होइले पश्चात पावन गंगा स्नान करने के
when you take the path in the Gangas, then you will be pious. But when you take the darshan of the pure devotees, you will be pious.
हरि स्थाने अपराधे तारे हरि नाम वैष्णव स्थाने अपराधे नहीं कोई राम भगवत चरण में अपराध नाम में अपराध
When you commit offense into the offense, when you commit the offense while doing chanting the name, so while performing the name, all the aparadh will be removed. But when you commit the offense into the feet of Bhagwan, so how it can be removed? By the serving of bhakta. Only this is the way only. So this is showed here.
कांटे यदि आपके पैर में कट जाए
If your throne comes into your feet, so it cannot be come out from the shoulders. So it will come out where it comes.
जिनके चरण में तुमने अपराध किया
So in the same way, so whoever feet you have committed offense, so you have to serve that Vaishnav.
मेरे कहने की
So this is my mean to say.
देखो
Look,
पंडित
Devanand Pandit, he committed the offense to the Bakreshwar Pandit.
हैं?
No, Srinivas Thakur. He committed the offense into Srinivas Thakur
और
feet,
सेवा किसको कर दिया
and he served to Bakreshwar Pandit.
वापस से हैं? महाप्रभु का संग
So Mahaprabhu got pleased. Okay, leave him now.
ये पंडित महाप्रभु का है इसलिए कई जैसे कभी इंद्र जैसे
Just like sometimes Indra,
ब्रजवासी चरण में अपराध
he
किया
committed the offense into the feet of Vejvasi.
इसलिए गिरिराज गोवर्धन धारण करना
So that's why Bhagwan has to take in Giriraj Govardhan.
जब पता लगा
When Indra came to know that Krishna is himself Bhagwan,
तो इंद्र ने क्या किया
so what Indra did that time?
ब्रजवासी के निकट क्षमा प्रार्थना करने के लिए कहाँ गए
Survi Gai.
सुरभि गए थे
So he went to the Survi Gai for taking the shelter of the Brajvasi. He went to the Survi Gai first. So this is shown also here.
सुरभि का आश्रय लेकर
So he took the shelter of Shuddhidai. Then by him, after that he went to Krishna and asking for the forgiveness and praying for the forgiveness towards Krishna. In the same way,
देवानंद पंडित
Devanand Pandit,
अपराध क्षमा हो गया
his all kinds of offense was forgiven by the mercy of Vakreshwar Pandit.
तो ये समझते सुंदर कि आप हमें दर्शन करें बक्रेश्वर पंडित की कथा आपको कैसी लगी?
So Vakreshwar Pandit Katha is very, very, very nice, very, very beautiful.
और बक्रेश्वर पंडित भी
And the Vakreshwar Pandit,
भी आशीर्वाद दिया
he blessed him. He blessed him. Oh, go! You will get the bhakti will be manifest in your heart. Krishna bhakti will be manifest in your heart. So this is a glorification of Vakreshwar Pandit in the scriptures too much.
और इस समय तो वो है
So now the time is going to over. 5 minutes are left.
5 मिनट पूरा भजन रस में दो शब्द बता
So I will tell about the little bit about Bhajan Rasa to you.
दें इस कथा प्रसंग हम
So the katha we were telling about
भजन रस में
Bhajan Rasa Granth.
प्रथम नाम साधन में
First Yam Sadhan Shraddha,
और विशेष करके
and especially
भक्ति विनोद विनोद ठाकुर
Bhakti Vinod Thakur.
महाप्रभु की गुणकीर्तन करते
So he was doing the kirtan or glorification of Mahaprabhu,
और वही महाप्रभु
and the same
राधा
Mahaprabhu,
कृष्ण के मिलित स्वरूप है, इसके लिए प्रमाण दिया।
he is the combined form of Radha Krishna. He
रसराज
given the
महाभाव स्वरूप,
he given the evidence.
जो
Rasraj Mahaswarup. Who is the Rasraj Mahaswarup?
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
राधा को दिखाया
One and only show the form of
और
Rai
राधा
Ramanand,
को देख करके
and seeing that form Ramanand was got fainted that time.
यहाँ पर हम लोग आ गए थे।
So every day we used to come at that context and we stopped.
हैं?
So the bell is going to ring. Yesterday I told you.
उस पर एक सुंदर
So before the crossing, there is a beautiful lake is there, a beautiful garden is there. But what happened? There is a train comes,
और पेड़ को देख लीजिए।
so I cannot see that.
सोचने काल सिनेमा में आएंगे
So he said that I will come tomorrow. I will come to the cinema. But what happened? The train is comes on the same times. I cannot see and cannot cross the pond or railway track.
हो सके ट्रेन
So sometimes I feel like that I go to the cinemas and sit early, but trains never comes late. So I'm thinking like this cinema will comes, the train will comes late sometimes. So this Katha Prasang is very beautiful.
वास्तव है क्या?
What is actually this thing is?
ये रायरमंद
That Rai Ramanand, I told you,
महाप्रभु के
Rai
राधा
Ramanand,
गोविंद की दर्शन किया।
he got the darshan of
और
Radha
उस
Govind.
दर्शन नहीं किया है? और वो रसराज महाभाव स्वरूप के दर्शन करके
When he got the darshan of Rasraj
फिर
Mahavasrup, he
रायरमंद
got
के
offended.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
राधा के हाथ स्पर्श करा करके उनके
when he touches his hand to the body of Raja Rai Raman, he became conscious that time.
वही
What he saw then? He saw the sannyas form of Mahaprabhu at that time again.
और उस समय चैतन्य
At that time,
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was saying,
हे रायरमंद
Hey Rai Raman, you are so much fortunate
है मेरे संत की जो देखा
because you have taken the darshan of my that swarup, which is very mysterious.
है? और महाप्रभु स्वयं कहने लगे
So Mahaprabhu saying himself,
ये आपने जो देखा मेरा
whatever you have
गौरंग,
seen, whatever this Gaurang form you have seen,
राधा अंग है? गौरंग नहीं मोर राधा अंग स्पर्श।
Gaur,
श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika.
भजन नंदन बिना कहीं कहते हो ना स्पर्श।
So Srimati Radhika, she never touched anybody except Vrajin Nandan. This is the Nishtha of Srimati Radhika Rani.
और किसी को वो
So except the Vrajin Nandan Sham Sundar, she never touched anybody.
आपको जो महाप्रभु ने कहा मैं वही भजन
So Mahaprabhu said himself, I am the same Vrajin Nandan Sham Sundar. Whatever you are seeing,
देखा
so what is the form of you are seeing the Sham Sundar form of mine. So this is me only.
नहीं वही
I am the same one, same Vrajin Nandan Sham Sundar.
तो यह बहुत प्रश्न उठाते हैं
So now there is a question comes, what kind of form was that Rasraj Mahava form?
स्वरूप क्या है
What is that Rasraj Mahava
जिसके
Swarup?
रायरमंद
So, so Rai Ramanan in the form of Vishaka Saki, he didn't take the darshan. And in the form of Rai Ramanan, when he came to the Mahaprabhu's Leela, he took the darshan of that Leela.
उसके लिए दो उदाहरण
So there are two examples are giving.
है
Srila Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj, he described very nicely by the two examples. Look,
एक भ्रमर
just like a black bee,
काले जो भ्रमर है ब्लैक और जो प्रस्फुटित
half blossoms lotus,
चले जाते हैं
when it goes into the half blossoms lotus for taking the honey,
और वो संग्रह करते करते वहीं पर इतने
so when he collect the honey from that flower, so he feels so much observed himself and he lost himself there. There is no any kinds of consciousness there.
कमल की सहज सहज से उसको पान करते करते वो क्या होता है
So when he was taking the honey from that lotus, so he forget everything there. The black bee
कठिन जो लकड़ी को क्या करती है
who can make a hole into the very hard wood, just like there is a kind of wood.
साल काट कर
which is called a shal cut.
साल काट होते हैं बहुत सख्त होता
It is very hard.
है
There is
बिहारपुर सिलीगुड़ी उस साइड में
So when you go to the Siliguri, so you will find that count of what is the shal cut.
बहुत कठिन
So this is really hard. It is just like iron.
ये तो देखो भगवान क्या करते हैं
But what that black bee is doing,
छेद कर देते
so he make a hole in that too,
हैं और छेद करके ऊपर ऊपर
so he can cross that wood from this way to another way. In the same black bee, when he was entering into the half blossoms lotus and he was taking the honey from that lotus, so his all parts of body got becomes unconscious
और उन्हीं को रंग जाता
and he keeps himself in that flower.
शास्त्र में कहा गया
It is mentioned in that mention in the scriptures, when sun rises, then the lotus arises.
के बाद कमल खिल जाता है
The-
और सूर्य अस्त होने के साथ
and when the sun sets, all the buds of the lotus it's close.
और वो भ्रमर
And that black bee, when he was collecting or taking the honey from that flowers, so he stays himself whole night.
कमल के जो कोमल जो पंखुड़ी के वो काट करके बाहर आने
So
पाते
he was not able to cut that the soft bud of lotus.
जो मैंने उदाहरण दिया
So the example I've given, the shal card, that's a stick just like a wood which is very hard, is just like iron. So he can make a hole in that kind of wood, but he is not able to cut the soft buds of lotus. So this is the example I have given.
तात्पर्य क्या है
So what's the meaning to say
ये कृष्ण
that Krishna,
राधा के अंतर हृदय कोष में
so in the inner core of Radharani, the love of Radharani. So what kind of love in the heart of the core of Radharani, for relishing that Krishna is so much excited and eager.
राधा के सर्वोत्तम जो है ब्रेन के लास्ट
So which is the topmost limit of the last limits of divine love of Radharani. So nothing greater than that. Rasraj Mahabhav,
है
Madnakya Mahabhav,
मादना
which is called the Madnakya Mahabhav.
है इसको तो समझने के लिए बहुत कुछ आपको जानना
So for understanding that, you need to know so mmany things according to the Ujjal Nilmani, Snena, Bhav, Mahabhav,
रूढ़
Rud, Arud, Adirda,
है मोहन
Mohan,
मादना
Madana. So this all describes very nicely. There are 12 kinds of love. Like the topmost stage of love is Madnakya Mahabhav. So for relishing that love,
अंतर हृदय
when he entered into the inner core of Radharani,
है और उसको कैसे आस्वादन उसको कैसे
So-
बाहर कैसे आ रहे
how he is relishing that
ये देखो
Arti.
है जैसे उदाहरण दिया वो कमल
So the example is given.
पंखुड़ियां अंदर में चले गई
He went to that black bee went to the blossoms flower.
वो कमल के जो है जो वो रहते हैं मतलब पराग रहते हैं
So there is a parag.
येलो कलर की डस्ट होते हैं
Yellow colors dust is on the flowers.
येलो कलर की डस्ट होता है
So that comes on the body of that black bee.
येलो कलर डस्ट बोल देता है वो क्या है बिल्कुल
So that black bee was covered with that yellow dust of the flower.
सारी अंग
So his whole body parts is covered with that yellow color.
कृष्ण के एक अद्भुत स्वरूप
So this is the incredible or Swarup of Krishna.
आज कभी आपको हाथ में मिलेगा दर्शन करने के लिए
So maybe you will get the darshan of that flower.
अंदर में चले जाते हैं
Yes.
और वो मनुष्य प्रकट के बीच कैसे हो जाते हैं फिर जब वो निकालते हैं उनके सारे शरीर क्या हो जाता है
So when that black bee comes out from that flower, so what happens? All the body parts of that black bee covered with that yellow color. In the same way, Krishna, when he went to the inner court of Srimati Radhika Rani, so his all body parts covered with the Radhakani's Mahabhav. So now the time is over. We will describe you tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai. Shri Radhe. चलो भैया हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे